All right, folks, if your aluminum gutter drains are always getting full of some type of material and the pipes are getting clogged, what I use is window screen mesh that's aluminum that I buy at Lowe's for like under 12 bucks. And I have a pair of scissors and I just kind of eyeball it, or you can use a tape measure that you use for measuring clothes and figure out how big you need to make it go around in your gutter here to cover up this hole, because this hole constantly gets things in it, debris from the roof, and also ping pong balls get stuck in there. So this is the way I stop it from doing it, by cutting the mesh up and putting it over the hole. It works like a champ for me, and it's a cheap fix. This is probably about, the whole deal is probably 35 cents. So I do these all around the house where things fall in or things get in there. It's a good deal, especially if you got trees that hang over your roof. They throw a whole bunch of debris in your gutters. You can just clean it all up with this. It's easy to clean out. Okay, well, that works for me. Good luck and God bless.